process across India. And I have attended one of the webinars in which sir was the resource person, and he really has uh, enlightened the audience like anything. And most of the people, even from Andhra Pradesh, they would like to have sir as a resource person. We are very glad and
Okay.
fortunate to have you, sir, as our resource person. And now over to you, sir, to start the webinar. Thank you.
Good morning to you all participants in this particular national webinar. I must congratulate Madam and organizing team and principal of the college for arranging such event, which is very actually important for getting higher grade. Actually, this is the period, pandemic period, corona situation period. So I tell in the beginning, everywhere you have to stop the corona wave, you have to save your life, and you have to start quality wave for next. You have to start for quality wave in the college in that manner. Whatever sound is coming. Sound
Yeah,
is
so
coming.
yeah, principal sir is making some announcement to assemble the
Okay.
audience. Kindly bear with us.
Okay.
Yes. అంటే సార్ స్టార్ట్ చేశారు లోపల ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్ అనౌన్స్మెంట్ ఇస్తా అన్నారని సార్ రిసీవ్
Shall I start? Shall I start?
సార్
So, uh, so, so whatever I am telling now, you have to listen carefully and you have to implement in your college 100% for getting higher grade. When I say higher grade, it is A grade, A plus grade, and A double plus grade. First of all, I may tell you that you forget whatever madam told about me. You only remember I am at the age of 72 years. I can be elder brother from anybody's house, and you have to implement whatever I am telling in my back. I will talk everything to you. Basically, basically, I am from mathematics side, so I shall give you some symbols, some abbreviations, so that
సార్ వాయిస్ వినిపించడం లేదంట
so so basically I am from mathematics field. So I shall give in my talk some symbols, some abbreviations, some words, so that you can remember all my talk very easily in that manner. In the beginning, I may tell you that CID is very important. When I say CID, it is not state government CID, it is CID cube. In this manner, C cube stands for creativity, consistency, and commitment in the college. I cube stands for innovative thinking, involving and inspiring the student. And D cube stands for dedication, devotion, and dynamism in the college. With these 9 virtues, you have to work in the college. Definitely, you will get A plus, A double plus grade. Actually, we have communication somewhere, but if communication is done skillfully, the miracles will come and higher grade also it will come. Every college has foresighted vision, unending mission, and achievable goals. But for NAC purpose, I will tell you that you prepare achievable goals for every year, and you just implement all those goals seriously in that manner. You will find that as far as NAC is concerned, two things are very important: college website and SOP. When I say college website, you have to update that college website every day, not periodically. You have to update that. And second thing is SOP, that is standard operating procedure, and that is given on NAC website. Download that document, and all evidences should be according to that. I may tell you one thing: you have to work in the college like banking system. In banking, what happens? The concerned clerk does some activity, transfer the document to manager folder, and manager will send to the head office of the bank on the same day. In the similar manner, every department, every faculty member should perform the activity, make a folder in their computer, and transfer the document to IQAC on the same day. That is very important. And IQAC will transfer to principal computer on the same day at the end of the day. So in that manner, that should be done. You will find that there are different questions in all 7 criteria of NAC. I shall give you single sentence. You remember that sentence. Every activity you have to perform according to any word of that sentence. That sentence is in this manner: ICT, industry based, out. Okay. Hello. Hello. Can you listen me? Can you listen? Can you listen me? Can you listen me? Uh, so, I was telling that ICT industry-based outcome-oriented academic performance through collaborations with Neighborhood Community Connect by using technological amplification of learning. This sentence I told, you have to work according to that sentence. First is ICT. When I say ICT, not only PPT and LCD teaching, much more than that you have to do. So I shall explain in detail what is ICT technology actually. Then it is industry based. That means you have to take some industry grants, some consultative projects. You have to take courses also related to industry skill and potential. You have to take business expo, business carnivals on the college campus. In that manner, industry based activity. Next, I told outcome oriented. When I say outcome oriented, every activity must have an outcome. I shall give you a simple example. Blood donation camps are taken in every college. Blood donation camp organization, it is important, but how many bottles of blood collected, how many patients are identified, that is very important. And you have to cure those patients by taking MOU, collaboration with any hospital, and take the outcome feedback from that patient that I was cured by the college efforts from this disease in that manner. So such type of outcome-oriented feedback you have to take from each and every participant in each and every activity. Then I told academic performance. When I say academic performance, it is not only a university result, final year result, but academic performance will mean you have to explain in this manner. Suppose 500 students got the degree from your college during NAC 5 years period, then how many students received job on campus? How many students received job off campus? How many are self-employed? How many are having own self-business? How many have gone to PG, higher study? In that manner, you have to explain 5 years record of academic performance. Then I told through Community Connect you have to work and collaborations you have to do. This collaboration MOU you have to do on local level, state level, national level, district level, whatever it may be, for academic purpose and for social purpose also. So remember, this academic collaboration, social collaboration and neighborhood community connect, that is very important for social activities. Then I told you the word that you have to perform with technological amplification of learning. That means latest technology you have to use. What technology is taught in London, in America, in Delhi, you have to think of it and you have to implement all those activities for your students in that manner. So this sentence, you have to work every department, every faculty member in that manner. You will find that Your NAC grade depends upon what you do today, and that too innovatively. That is very important. Your NAC future depends upon that, so go accordingly. New education policy is coming in 2022, National Education Policy. There are so many things coming. I was a member of subcommittee of that. I know much better thing of this. You will find that 2.50 grade, it is compulsory for getting funds from central government. So above 2.50 grade, if you receive, then you will get lot of money from central government. You will find that in this new education policy, BLE and BLA, such type of degrees, they are given. Bachelor of Liberal Education and Bachelor of Liberal Arts. A student can take optional subjects, chemistry, accountancy, and even music. There is no barrier of faculties, BA, BSc, BCom. You will find that there are only teaching universities and research universities. There is no affiliation part. All colleges will be autonomous. If you get higher grade, that is well and good for getting a lot of funds from central government in that manner. So you work accordingly. That I want to tell. The situation educationally, it will be now do or die. Do not ask why. Simply in new education policy, you have to work very hard to get NAC grade very A plus or A double plus in that manner. You will find that some of the participants here, they may be afraid of NAC. I said, do not be afraid of NAC. In my opinion, NAC is simple procedure. Peer team, that letter comes to the principal, then comes fear in mind, what will happen? They come to your college, they become near, and when they leave the college, they become dear. So it is, in my opinion, NAC is simple procedure. Fear in mind, near and dear. Provided in the bracket, very important, you have to give proper evidences. You have to tell relevant things. Remember, in this way only you have to project yourself, and in the NAC report also, reflection should be with quality. So all these things you keep in mind and you work accordingly. You will find that I read one book of a thinker, Noble Harari. He has written one good book, 21 Lessons for 21st Century. In his book, he has written that clarity and quality, they are the powers of 21st century. Same is expected by NAC. Every college must give clarity of everything and quality also. Quality is very important because quality is like a vector concept. In physics, vector concept is there having magnitude and direction. Similarly, quality vector should be there having magnitude of the qualities of the college and direction which I am giving to be implemented 100%. So you have to work accordingly. Some of you may be knowing Hindi also. I shall tell one simple share in Hindi. अब हवाएं करेगी रोशनी का फैसला, अब हवाएं करेगी रोशनी का फैसला, जिस दिए में जान है वही जलेगा. I say accordingly now, अब NAC ग्रेड करेगा कॉलेज का फैसला, जिस कॉलेज में क्वालिटी है वही चलेगा, बाकी सब कॉलेजेस बंद हो जाएंगे. So remember all these things. In all my guidance talk, I generally give two words, very important words from NAC point of view. The first word is smart. Everybody should be smart in this sense. S stands for specific. In telling something, in writing something, you should be very specific. In report, NAC report, do not write various activities are done, different activities are done. Because you know you have done 40 activities, you know you have done 100 activities, write 40 activities, 100 activities, be specific everywhere in writing and in speaking also. Then second in smart, it is M. That M stands for measurable. Remember, this measurable process is going on everywhere. After getting the appointment in the college as lecturer, management and principal, they are measuring you always, whether you are for the development of the college, development of the student in that manner. So you should be very active in that way. I can say one thing, that if you want to teach in the class for 45 minutes, if you prepare at home very well, you will teach also very well in the class. But if your preparation is not good, then you will teach for 10 to 15 minutes and you start chit-chatting with the student, and then student will measure you, whether you are updated or outdated. So that measurable part is very important. Then comes in smart, it is A. That A stands for achievable. How much achievable you are? If you are not PhD, while taking the appointment, you register for PhD. If you are PhD holder, then you publish at least one research paper every year in that manner. If paper is not published, you work for diversity in neighboring community, maybe economic diversity, biodiversity, and regarding that, some research, some project you can take, and that will be useful to the people. In that manner you have to work. So that achievable part is very important. Then in SMART I am telling R, that R stands for relevant. You should be relevant. You will find that yesterday's skills you are having, you are teaching present students for their better future. It is highly impossible. You have to develop your skill and potential. So R. Then comes T. That T stands for time bound. You have to work time bound in the sense in time and to the point working should be there. In fact, in every college, there is a system that you depend upon the notices that submit the things within 3 days, within 8 days, and it is delayed. Instead of 3 days, it is submitted in 8 days, 10 days, and in a hurry, you just submit that report to NAC office. Now there is a danger of rejection. Reports are rejected from NAC office due to irrelevant answers, and penalty is also charged. So you should be careful in finalizing that report. So one system I shall give you. In that system, just principal will give a notice that in coming week, all departments will collect the matter required for NAC. And after collecting that, in the next week, after that, the criteria persons will go from department to department, collect the matter required in their criteria. They will write the answers by their own in coming 15 days and submit that report, rough report to IQAC. Then IQAC will correct it, modify it, something is forgotten, then write it. In that manner, again 8-15 days are taken and you make a final fair copy, put on principal's table. Again 8 days corrections are done if they are there, and then you submit the report to NAC office. There will be no danger of rejection, no danger of penalty also. So remember, this system you have to follow. You will find that this SMART concept in that manner you follow for NAC procedure: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound. You will find that as far as NAC is concerned, 3 senses are very important. First one is sense of reasoning. What type of reasoning you are giving, that is very important. Justifiable reasons, proper reasons you have to give. Then second thing is sense of proportion. When I say sense of proportion, I say 2 words are very important: knowledge and wisdom. When I say knowledge, knowledge is required for what to write and what to speak. Wisdom is required for what not to write and what not to speak. And skill and potential is also required for how much to write and how much to speak. So all these concepts, they come under sense of proportion of speaking and sense of proportion of writing something. So you should follow this. And third one is sense of priority. You have to give priority to NAC 5 principles, core values of NAC. NAC core value, 5 core values are there. First one is national development. Whatever things are going on the national level or in your state, you have to take awareness program. You have to take some courses also regarding current events in that manner. GST was there on national level. Demonetization was there. Internet banking was there. Then Article 370 removal was there in Jammu and Kashmir. So whatever events are going on national level, you have to take courses, awareness programs, not only for students, but community also. Next comes second core value of NAC. It is global competency. You should think globally and act locally. That is said everywhere. But walking is in one direction and talking is in another direction. When I say think globally, you have to think that your student should get an appointment in London, in America. So you should give them some online courses, some better placement training in that manner to have appointments in World Bank, NASA, UNO, whatever it may be. So in that manner, you have to think globally and act locally. Then third core value is quest of excellence. That quest of excellence should be there. Quality initiatives, quality enhancement, and quality sustenance. You have to submit AQR report after getting the first grade. Remember, in most of the AQR reports, same thing is repeated from last AQR. Do not repeat the thing. Now you are having cross verification of all AQR and your report that you are sending. So you should be careful in sending AQR report also. And whatever I am telling in this particular talk, it should reflect in AQR of this academic year. So that should be that care should be taken. So remember all these things, quality initiatives that you have taken in last year. You have to take enhancement this year, and quality sustenance should be carried out in future. In that manner, that quest of excellence you have to do. Then next one is using modern technology. I shall tell in detail what type of technology after some time. Then last one is code of conduct, core values. You have to prepare the document and you have to upload all these documents on your college website now only. Remember, this code of conduct, core values, you prepare that document, quality to metric, and upload on your college website. So all these concepts, sense of reasoning, sense of proportion, and sense of priority, you follow very well. You will find that the next word I am giving you, you remember for NAC, it is pride. Pride should not be there, but I am saying professional pride. And for that, that P stands for positive working environment. That should be there in the college. Suppose peer team members are in the campus and two faculty members, two students are talking loudly and looking to the mobiles on the campus of the college. That picture should not be seen. Even I can say that if suppose peer team members are sitting in principal's cabin, principal calls you somebody, then you should go there within no time, because they will think what is the relation between principal and staff. They are not positive to each other. So that positive working environment is very important. In pride, then comes R. R stands for recognizing everyone's effort. You have to prepare encouragement and welfare schemes for faculties and students and upload on college website. So that way, that recognizing everyone's efforts you have to follow. Then in pride, it comes I. That I stands for involvement of everyone. When I say involvement of everyone, generally the peer team member will cross-verify to staff members. Generally, I do that. I visited around about 80 colleges as peer team members in all India. I had been to your state also. In last 11 years, I was going. And you will find that I asked a college in Orissa, a faculty member in Orissa college, that what contribution you have made in sending this report to NAC office. He told me that I have not done anything, principal and coordinator have done it. Do not say like that. You should say that I have done this thing, I have done that thing. For this also I am giving one system. So many systems I will give to principals, and innovativeness, you have to follow that. Now this system is simple. Principal should distribute all questions to all faculty members in the college. So every faculty member will have responsibility of 3 or 4 questions. He will think innovatively after my talk and do that activity and write in the report. If peer team member asks to that faculty what effort you have done, he should say that I have taken care of these 3 questions and done innovatively, written in the report. So that type of quality inclination of each and everybody in the college, it should be reflected in the report and in the communication also. So this you remember. Then comes in pride, it is D. That D stands for development of skill and potential. You develop yourself, and then student development, that is important for job placement and other things. Then comes in pride, it is E. That E stands for effective evaluation, feedback and placement. Evaluation means it is the internal evaluation method. Do not write affiliated university evaluation. You have to write that within 2-3 lines. College internal evaluation methods you have to write. I shall explain that also in detail after some time. Then comes feedback. Now every department should take a feedback on syllabi, on curriculum every year. Collect the feedback from student, teacher, alumni, parent and employer, submit to IPAC. IPAC will have analysis team, and after analysis, they will give a letter to the principal, and principal will send a letter to the affiliated university that our college collected feedback on syllabi, analysis is done, and following thing is to be implemented in revision of syllabi hereafter. In that letter, principal should send to the university in this way that in botany, organic farming chapter is not there, you include that. In political science, article 370 removal is not there, that article 370 was not there, include that. In particular commerce, GST chapter is not there, include that. So in that manner, you have to write to university in the coming revision of syllabi that will be implemented. So that will give you full mark for feedback collected, analyzed, and improving measures are taken in that manner. So remember this feedback, and next comes placement. When I say placement, remember that Tata, Mani, Birla, businessman will not come to villages for giving appointments. NAC also knows that. but you should do efforts for placement and coaching for competitive exam extensively every year for the job placement. So in that way, you have to work for this placement. So remember this concept of pride also very well, and accordingly you work it. Remember all these things I am telling you. It is in general manner, but you have to remember. Now I shall come to criteria-wise question answers in that way. There are some questions related to courses. You will find that college must have online courses and offline courses. Every department must have two courses every year. Every department must have two courses every year. Skill oriented, job oriented, value added, soft skill, communication skill in that manner. You will find that those courses, they should be innovative courses, not common type courses. The innovative courses, I shall give you some names of that. Say critical reasoning course, corporate social responsibility course, then accent training, then sustainable development, employability techniques, global finance market related, cyber crime, ethical hacking, remote sensing, foreign trade, then network security, animation, web designing, share market related, so that students will get self-employment. In that manner, you have to have particular courses in the college. You will find that there are some questions related to slow learners and advanced learners. Such system should be there. Now again, I shall give the system to the principal. Principal will give a notice to all faculty members in every academic year in this manner, that after teaching a topic, you conduct a class test of 20 marks in the college. After identifying below 40% slow learners and above 60% advanced learners, you take separately periods for them, every month 1 or 2 periods. For slow learners, you can do anything that you are doing, but these things are important. For slow learners, you have to repeat the difficult topics. You have to give more books, tutorials, bridge courses, remedial coaching, counseling programs you have to give. You have to give assignment to boost their confidence level. And I shall tell you one innovative system. Such innovative words, innovative systems should be there in the report to get higher grade. That system I am telling, it is JLG. What is JLG? That JLG stands for Joint Liability Group System. What is that? Every faculty member should take at least one seminar in the class. Joint liability group means in that seminar, slow learners will ask difficulties, advanced learner and teacher will solve them, and take a video clip of that. You will find that general evidence that you have to keep in the college for getting higher grade. That is notice of the principal, list of participants with signature, geotag photos, then video clips, then outcome feedback from the participant. In that manner, you have to take the evidences. So all these things you keep in mind, and for slow learners, you have to adopt in that manner. Then for advanced learner also, you have to teach them technology use. You have to teach them what is the ICT training in that manner. Some minor projects also you have to give them. You have to give them brainstorming sessions. Some higher order thinking skills you have to give. I can give you in this form, in this method you can work, that you have some case study, some event analysis, some situation analysis, and TPS. When I say TPS, it is thinking, pairing, and sharing. What is the idea? For advanced learner, you give general topic, maybe scientist biodata, maybe some thinker, maybe some philosopher, or maybe current event, some activity you give the topic, that advanced learner will think over it. He will write in the form of case study, event analysis, situation analysis on a piece of paper, make a folder in your computer, departmental computer, that we have taken brainstorming sessions in this manner. Then you have to perform one seminar, again TPS. What is TPS? It is thinking, pairing, and sharing. What is that idea? You give a topic to that advanced learner, he will pair with his friend, and both of them, they will take a seminar in the class. They will share in the class that particular topic. I can tell you that Chandrayaan, Mangalyaan was there recently. So physics department can take that. This 370 article removal was there. Political science people can take it. Then you will find that GST was there. Commerce people can take that. So in that manner, subject related, current event related activities are taken, and brainstorming sessions are given in that way. So remember all these things. they are given for advanced learner. Generally, what happens, now principal calls me after having a grade. They say in this manner, so I don't get A grade, I got only B grade. What is the reason? There are so many reasons. I'm telling you that in cricket you are having googlies. So like that in with peer team also they are having some googlies. What type of googlies are there? What they will do? They will ask some faculty member, some parent or some student in the corner of the college separately, and they will ask in this manner, if you become the principal of this college, what three things you will do? That student will say that I shall bring more books, they are not there. I shall bring more computers, they are not there in the college. There is no pure drinking water in the college. All these things I shall do when PhD member asks to that student. I do that everywhere in that way. So you will find that you are telling to parent teacher association to tell about only nice things, good things of the college. But we shall expose the college by looking separately, by talking separately to student in this manner. So for this also, I am giving you one system. You just prepare one document. Before going for NAC, you prepare one document. That document is known as KYC. Actually, KYC is needed in bank. But I say KYC means it is know your college. Simple. When I say know your college, you prepare that document, name of the principal, name of the subject, teacher, number of books, number of computers, and all such systems, mentor-mentee system, slow learner, advanced learner system, all these things you write there. Then before peer teams visit in your college, you take orientation of student, teacher, parent, alumni, everybody, and you tell them each and every figure correctly. So that principal tells in his presentation, suppose there are 100 computers in the college, everybody will say 100 everywhere. Otherwise, what happens? Some student will say there are only 50 computers. Some faculty will say there are 80 computers. That figure in cross verification, that gives contradiction. So you should take care of that. If such contradictions are more, then you will get lower grade definitely. Remember that. Now in new methodology, generally A grade colleges, they are going to B grade and C grade also. In your state also it might happen. So remember that is because of this thing only. So you have to take each and every care point very successfully in that way. So remember this slow learner, advanced learner, you have to work accordingly. Next, you will find that there are two types in framework, qualitative and quantitative metric. Qualitative metric for 330 marks and quantitative metric, they are for 670 marks. In quantitative metric, you are asked there somewhere number, somewhere percentage in that manner. That should be more in number all the time. Whenever figures, percentage are asked, that should be more in number. Do not write no, nil anywhere. Do not write various activities, different activities. Write particularly 10 activities, 100 activities in that manner. So remember that part. And in qualitative metric, you have to prepare the document with 500 words, 200 words, 1000 words in different criteria. So those documents, those should be written with quality English. Do not write in simple manner, I am going and he is coming. You have to write with quality. I shall tell some sentences for you. So you have to just insert such sentences in each and every document that you are preparing. Teaching learning document, curriculum delivery document, then encouragement and welfare schemes. In that manner you have to write properly in this way. Some sentences should be of this type. I shall give some sentences in this manner. All our faculty members in the college are involved in training the brains of the students for their placement gain and overall development. Somewhere you can write that the college is marching towards excellence in all possible quality ways and latest technologies from time to time. The college must have digitalness. Digital college every year you have to prepare. So somebody who is doing that, our principal should say in this manner, the college is made digital every year because this is the place where our past meets our present for our better future. So in that manner, you have to perform tree plantation activities. Do not say only plantation. You say plantation and preservation. That preservation part will get marked, plantation will not get marked. So remember, that's where the grade will be low down. You are doing green audit, green practices, all those things. Somebody should say in this manner, we are performing green practices to nurture the nature for our future. You have to write in this manner. We are performing green practices to nurture the nature for our future. How is the sentence? So in that manner you have to work. Remember, all such type of sentences I give. Generally what I do, I have given 900 plus guidance talks by going to the college and through webinar in all India. Out of that, 600 colleges, they have taken MOU agreement with me. Out of that, nearly 400 colleges, up till now in last 10 years, they received A plus, A double plus grade, and 150 colleges are going before December. I give such type of continuous guidance in 5 to 6 steps. Hereafter, after such webinar, I take departmental interaction. Every department will tell what they have done, and then I shall give each department innovative activities for political science, chemistry, economics, awareness courses, best practice, everything I give. That type of 2-3 hours talk, that is very necessary to write the answers of those criteria. So in that manner, writing the report, checking the report, then final report also checked by me. Then PPTs also I shall give for principal, IQC department, likely questions also I shall give, and mock visit also I take. So in all these steps, every college becomes perfect, and they will get definitely A plus, A double plus grade. So it is done. So that's why I'm telling you, you follow such procedure. Now I'm telling you qualitative metric document. In first curriculum delivery document, 1.1.1, every college is writing in this manner that we are having teaching plan, academic calendar, group discussion, seminars, but forget two things. Which two things? Very important. First thing you have to write, IQAC conducts a meeting in the beginning of every academic year to verify the syllabi of each subject of the college from the affiliated university. Syllabus is changing. So unless you verify the syllabi, how can you prepare the teaching plan? That question is asked by the PhD member. That first sentence should be there, and second sentence in that document, it should be there in this way. The college is having online academic monitoring system. What does this mean? This will mean that college is having LMS, MIS and ERP. LMS means Learning Management System. MIS means Management Information System. ERP means Enterprise Resource Planning. If computer department is doing, it is well and good. Otherwise, you take MOU collaboration with some software agency or computer institute regarding that. You can take ICT training also to the faculty members and advanced learners. In that way, that record also will give higher grade. So in that manner, you have to work. Remember that online academic monitoring system should be worked in that manner. The second document you have to write there, qualitative metric, that is teaching learning document in second criteria. And there, three types are there: participative, experimental, and problem based. In participative, you have to write in this manner that we are following group discussion, seminars, now webinars also, online session of this type. Then I told you JLJ seminar, EPS seminar also you have to take. Then guidance talk is taken by every department, every year, in every college. But I give innovatively in this manner, that you write MIE and MAE. MIE will mean meet industry experts. MAE will mean meet academic experts. What does this mean? That means you are calling from industry side, that is industry expert, from academic side, that is academic expert. You take interaction with the student also and take video clip after the talk. So in that manner, through seminar or through webinar, you must have MIE, MAE, meet industry expert and meet academic expert activity. Video clip of all those things should be taken in the department. All these things are necessary. MIE, MAE, that is participative learning type. One more thing is very necessary for getting even C grade also. What is that thing very necessary? It is one e-participative learning system. What is that? You must have one classroom having 25-50 computers in LAN. Every teacher will take at least one period every month in that classroom with LCD and PPT teaching. After teaching half an hour, he will give some 2-3 questions. Student will write on the respective computers in LAN, and teacher will go from computer to computer to see the answers of that. and video clip of that is taken, and that type of such videos, that collection everybody must have in the department in the form of video bank. You must have PPT bank, video bank in that manner, digital question banks in every department, very necessary. So all these things that should be there in that participative part. The experimental part you have to write in teaching learning. Every college is having practical for some subject, then field visit, industry visit. Now for experimental part, you do some courses also with experimental training. Some mock type, mock bank, mock parliament, some experimental part it should be taken on college campus for each subject. You have to take virtual learning also. You can have use of virtual learning software. There is an Amrita virtual learning platform created by Chennai Institute. You can register with that and you can use that, and you can have any system virtually on the wall of the classroom. Physics people will have electric circuit on the wall of the classroom. Political science people will have Lok Sabha, Vidhan Sabha working on the wall of the classroom virtually. So use of this virtuality, virtual learning platforms, that is very necessary with software or with some system. Then charts and models you have to use. Then e-learning resources and softwares you have to use. Every faculty must use minimum one software every year. Remember that. Then you have to show some videos, subject related videos after downloading from NPTEL, NME ICT, NISCARE, YouTube channels, different historic and geographic channels. Download those videos, subject related, and show them periodically to the student for experimental training. You have to give for advanced learners also some skill-oriented videos. There are some softwares, there are some videos where Indian and foreign models, they are shown how to prepare biodata, how to face the interview committee, such things are there. You show such videos to them, that will give again higher grade, because that will be under the heading efforts for placement and coaching for competitive exam. So all these things you keep in mind in experimental part. Remember that. Then problem based. In problem based methods, everybody in the college is taking class tests, monthly tests, pre-annual exam. In that way you are taking different departmental level exams you are taking, but online tests also are important. Online tests you have to use by some software. TestU is one software. There are so many. You can use MCQ type, multiple choice question like Kaun Banega Crorepati. You can have quiz competition, inter-group competition, inter-class, inter-collegiate, inter-university, on state level, national level, on international level also. College must take at least 1 or 2 webinars on international level every year. Maybe some subject related or maybe some general topic. I can have corona situation. You can have one quiz competition on college level in next month. You can take that in this academic year that you have conducted quiz competition on national level or international level on corona situation. On national level or on state level or international, what is that situation? You give that topic and you quiz competition, it will, if you take intercollegiate in that manner, one female, one male student will participate that. Online you can have in that way. Or you can have some topic with current event, that is Article 370. You can take the topic regarding what is the working of UNO, what is the working of RBI, Economic Department can take, Reserve Bank of India, what is that? You can have some topic regarding GST, some current event topics you have to have in that manner, and you have quiz competition. So in problem based, all these things they come with higher grade. Remember that. Then there are some questions related to collaborations, MOU linkages. I told you that should be on local level, state level, national level, international level, for academic purpose, for social purpose. From hospital you can have MOU, with industry you can have, for Lions Club, Rotary Club or local social. Yeah? Every subject has some agencies, organizations like ICHR, ICSSR, IIT, IIM, software companies, SAR, ISRO, NASA, this Chamber of Commerce, National Skill Development Board, Institute of Chartered Accountants, then National Entrepreneurship Network, ASUCA, archives are there. History person can do with state level archive, national archive. Libraries are there on state level, national level. Publishing houses are there. Language people can do. In that manner, different types of MOU collaborations you must have. You write their linkages in that letter. What type of linkages you are taking, like student exchange program, faculty exchange program, on-job training, experiential training, internship, efforts for placement, coaching for competitive exam. In that manner, different subjects you have to take in all those MOUs. On college level, every year, 2 MOU collaboration they are necessary, and on department level, every year, every department, 1 MOU collaboration is required. It is signed by only principal. Remember that. So all these things you keep in mind. Then I am coming to questions related to you, teacher profile and qualities. As far as teacher profile and qualities are concerned, there are some questions that faculty is working on university bodies, academic bodies. You have to explain that. I'm not going to the details where direct questions are there, like student reservation, how many reserve students are there, what is the strength of the student, all you can write. I'm taking different questions, typical questions in that way. You will find that all faculty members are publishing research papers, books are all published, but you must have, principal should tell in his presentation in this way, there are 100 research papers published by different faculties in our college, but out of that, 5 research papers are useful from paper to people and lab to land. That means some research papers, they should be done for biodiversity, economic diversity, socio-diversity, linguistic, cultural diversity in your neighboring part. You can adopt some village and remove that diversity by your some research or some project in that manner. Some government agencies using that, some government agencies using that research or that project, that is very useful for getting higher grades. So you should project in that manner. Some grants consulting to projects should be taken from some neighboring industry or big industry for some department that is necessary. So all these things you remember. Then teachers should conduct some academic activities for faculty, like teaching methodology workshop, research methodology workshop, intellectual property rights, some seminar of that type, syllabus revision workshop. In that manner, professional competency enhancing programs, faculty development programs, you are participating outside and you are conducting in the college. Both the records you must have. Such academic activities should be performed in the college also. And they are deputed, students are deputed to outside college also. All these concepts should be included there. Everywhere it should be more in number. That you remember. So such type of things, they are very necessary as far as teacher profile and qualities are concerned. Questions related to that. Now I am coming to questions related to committees. There are some questions related to committees. Remember that every committee, every department must have 2 meetings in every year. Semester wise 1 meeting for planning, monitoring in that manner. Next, you have to give 2 good examples of 2 committees in AQR and in HSR also yearly. Innovative committee should be there. Student participation should be there on all committees. I shall tell you some innovative committees for you. First committee I shall tell you innovative. It is E-Cell committee. That is the entrepreneurship cell. That committee will work for employment enhancement training programs. Some business expo, business carnivals are taken. Some experiential training is given. Entrepreneurship training is given. Then second committee for science department I can take state committee. Science and Technology Entrepreneurship Park. Third committee I can give COIL committee. COIL. Center of Industrial Liaison. Industry related all departmental activities are combined here. Principal will give in the beginning the totality of that. Next committee I shall give it is core committee, CORE. Core means Center of Relevance and Excellence. The name itself indicates that it has quality. And this core committee will have this system again. Principal will give a notice to all departments that submit digital questions useful for banking exam, SETNET exam, GRE, TOEFL or any foreign level entrance exam, national level entrance exam. Such digital questions should be there with this core committee, Center of Relevance and Excellence Committee. And I shall give you the system for core committee in this way. They will conduct minimum 2 tests, minimum two tests every month. 1 test will be for banking, SETNET, GRE, TOEFL every month. In that way it will go. And second test in this manner you work. Core committee will write 10 questions and 10 answers on the notice board of the college. Student will have 10 questions, 10 answers every day. That means 300 questions and 300 answers every month. Out of that, you ask 50 questions on first day of the next month. That test you perform, that will be very useful. I was principal 10 years back in a college. I adopted this system 20 years back. And all students were getting appointments to all entrance exams. Job placement 100%. That will be effective. So remember all these things you can have. One more committee I shall tell, it is SMILE committee. That SMILE means it is Social Media International Learning Education. When I say social media, do not use WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, because they create problem. Recently Twitter problem was there. You may be knowing that. So that don't use Facebook, WhatsApp. You have to create email generated system like Google Classroom, Google Cloud, Google Group, email group in that manner. And according to that you have to work. This SMILE committee will sit in a room. That room is known as media room or audiovisual room. And in that room, you have to write different names of the department. Economics, chemistry, English, and below that nameplate, you have to write PPT bank, how many? 10. Video bank, how many? 500, 200, 250, in that manner. Software used by each department, you have to write there. And totality of that is told by the principal. Principal will tell that in this manner, there are 1000 videos in our college by different departments. When I say 1000, it is not big figure. I am a mathematics person. I shall explain. 1000 videos should be there in the college in 5 years. So 200 videos per year. If 10 departments are there in the college, only 20 videos per department per year. That means only 2 videos at the most per month you have to prepare. Your lecture method videos, guidance talk videos, some seminar group discussion videos, in that manner you have to prepare. So all these things that is necessary. One TV also should be there. Large format display TV. You show periodically downloaded videos, subject related videos to them, skill oriented videos to students, and take a video clip of that. Show that to the PLT members. That system you must have, that will give you good marks. So that SMILE committee, that is very important, Social Media International Learning Education Committee. In that manner, some innovativeness should be there. Then I am coming to the main part, that is of ICT technology. What type of technology is required? Minimum 50% you have to apply. Minimum 50%, whatever I am telling. Remember, e-governance and e-communication, that is necessary. In library, accounts, administration, everywhere, everywhere, paperless. Through email messages, it should go. Then e-communication from principal to staff and teacher-wise, class-wise, e-communication per month 10. That should be there. From student, class-wise, teacher-wise, 10 communications. Maybe some study material, maybe some subject-related videos, maybe any subject-related matter coming on this newspaper or internet. As you are doing in WhatsApp, same thing you have to transfer in that email group or Google Classroom in that manner. So such type of e-communication should be there. Remember, QR code system for each department you prepare. Quick response code, QR code. And you have to prepare on current events. At the entrance of the department, every department, wall magazine on current topic, maybe GST related, at that time you must have prepared that wall magazine with GST idea. Maybe demerits of that calculation, whatever it may be. And one QR code at each time. Related things should be given in QR code, maybe videos, maybe screenshots, maybe some material also. You will find that every department is performing in that way. So in every academic year, such 20-25 wall magazines you have prepared by different departments. The selected part of that every year you take on college website and give name to that college website part e-magazine of the year, say 2017-18, 2020-21, in that manner. And that is seen by PLT members. When they come to your college, they will look to your college website. Whether it is having ICT technology or not, they will think in their mind, that college is A grade, A plus grade, where before coming. So in that manner you have to work. Then remember, every faculty member must use open education resources. There are so many, like Swayam, e-Pathshala, e-Adhyayan, MOOC courses, Moodle, Unnat Bharat Abhiyan related. Then there are some systems in computer like Socrative, edmodo, fog computing, FOSS, FOSS, free open source software you can use. Then Prezi technique, Ruby, Linux, Maya, Flash 8, XAMP, LAMP, Selenium, TeamViewer, DreamViewer, eYanta, eKalpa, SoundCloud.com, virtual learning platforms you have to create, mobile learning platforms you have to create, solo learning system you can have, Kensei.com, slide sharing technique you can have, 3D printing technology, Google Clouds, you can prepare Google Cloud slides, you can prepare virtual learning environment you can have, robo related some part you can have with MOU, using of drone also you can have, drone related, using of drone. Some colleges are taking for A+, A++, it is needed. With some MOU you can have with that drone related agency or robo related agency and make some activity for neighboring villages in that manner. Then you can have latest techniques of computer like IoT, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, big data, Hadoop software, Python language, cloud computing. That is very commonly used now. In cloud computing, there are 4 types: public cloud, private cloud, community cloud, and hybrid cloud. Use one of them. There are 4 types of main software in cloud computing: IaaS, infrastructure as a source; PaaS, platform as a source; SaaS, software as a source; SaaS, hardware as a source. You can use any of them. Software also, every department must use, every faculty member must use at least one software every year. There are some commonly used softwares like MS Office, PageMaker, Front Page, Acrobat Reader, G-Lite, Corel Drawware. In that manner, some softwares by languages you can have like Srilipi, OmniLite, Hello English, Tanaka, Rocket Hindi, language converter. In that manner, science related some softwares are there like Science Lab, FactXZ, GeoGebra, LaTeX, Mathematica, RStudio, ResMos, ChemDraw, PyMol, ArchiChem, UV Visible, DigiFrog. There are so many. On internet you can have. For commerce related some softwares are there. You can have Taxable, TaxBase, ERP9, RDMS. Some softwares in that manner. You can have economics related software that will come on internet. Try to use one of them. Make a training from software agency if you are not knowing. So all these things are necessary as far as technology is required. Then for library, I am telling you, full automation of library should be there. The e-resource corner, e-competition corner and reading room, it should be there in library. Daily user should be more. Then some of these things that should be there in the library like Delnet, InfluBNet, eShod Sindhu, eShod Ganga, Web OPEC, Digital Media Library, Online Database System, National Knowledge Network Connectivity, National Digital Library Access, Easy Life, library related Android mobile applications, e-audio books, e-video books, talking books, QR code system with magazine you can have. At the entrance of the library, you can give job opportunities to the students from library in employment news and other newspapers you can have. Then you can have e-magazine concept like that, e-brain concept also. E-brain means it is book reading and information network. That is e-brain. Book reading and information network. Librarian will give some general book to the student, and while returning the book, student will write on that piece of paper with his name, his class, name of the book, author of the book, and content of the book. And librarian will have a computer folder in that library, and you give name to that e-brain activity of the library. College website should be separate one. So in that manner, librarian should work. Current awareness services you have to give, user orientation programs you have to give every year, book exhibitions, book reading enhancement techniques you have to have, online and offline daily users you have to take in the library, radio frequency identification device you can have, scanner, Kibo, Kindle, Koha, kiosk. There are so many systems. Libman, Braille Lipi software. Even though blind student is not there, you can have one or two Braille Lipi software because you have made a provision. You can say that will give you higher grade. The library should have ICT applied messages you have to use all the time. You have to show skill oriented, job oriented videos also in the library. So all such things by library they should take. There is latest technology, remember, of e-green computing. That e-green computing is used for e-waste material to reduce, to recycle and to reuse. For global warming it is used. There is a course, there is material on internet for e-green computing. Just see on internet. You are knowing computers in LAN, like that MAN is also there, MAN, Metropolitan Area Network. WAN is there, Wide Area Network. VPN is there, Virtual Private Network. It is for distance learning classes. Softwares are there. So you can use that. You will find that there are 5 types of T's now in the world. 5 T's. Which are they? Something you do regarding 1 or 2 T's. First is IT, Information Technology. Second is BT, Biotechnology. Third one is QT, Quantum Technology. Then is NT, Nanotechnology. And last one is CT, Cognitive Technology. And this cognitive technology has 5 subjects of your college. Some subjects you may be having. They are having psychology, philosophy, anthropology related to history, artificial intelligence related to computer, and neuroscience. So you can have latest course, latest material on internet. You use that. These words are used by the principal in his presentation, and that should be reflected in your NAC report, and that will be innovative, good report for A plus, A double plus grade. Remember that. Do not write commonly everywhere. All these things I am telling you, keep in mind. Then I am coming to questions related to ratios. 3 types of ratios are asked. Student computer ratio. 1:1 ratio should be there. Student computer ratio. Then student teacher ratio. Whatever may be the ratio, you write down student teacher ratio. Full-time teacher should be there. Approved teacher should be there. If faculties are not appointed, principal should send a letter to the concerned department and show to the peer team and give that evidence. That will be good one for getting grade. Then third is mentor-mentee ratio. I shall give a system that every year after admissions are over, suppose 300 students are admitted in some faculty and teachers are teaching, the mentor-mentee ratio will be 1:30. And principal will write in the notice in this manner that mentor-mentee system will work in this academic year as follows. In August, you do career counseling. In September, you do papers for placement. In October, you do training for competitive exams. In that manner, everything can be written in that mentor-mentee system. So all these things keep in mind with evidences. Then I am coming to questions related to infrastructure. As far as infrastructure is concerned, I may tell you one single sentence in this manner. Depending upon the strength of the student every year in the college, every academic, IT, support facility, NSS, NC, everything, it should be made available, sufficient, and utility should be made. Utility is very important. Daily users in the library. Most of the colleges, they write only 2%, 4% daily users. It should be more than 25%. Daily users everywhere, it should be more in number. Then maintenance policy you have to write for infrastructure. You have to upgrade that infrastructure, IT, every facility, every year. Nature of upgradation with date you have to write, remember that. There is one question in infrastructure part, how many classrooms are there in the college? For example, you write suppose 100 classrooms are there. After there is one question, how many are ICT enabled classrooms? And the answer is given, it is 4. That means what percent you will get? Only 4%. In fact, it should be minimum 50% ICT enabled classroom. Minimum 50%, 75%, 90%, 100%. Some classrooms are having Wi-Fi. That is easy. Some are having LCD. Some are having suppose smartboard, interactive board, or any other ICT facility. That is very necessary for infrastructural part. Remember that. Then I told you internal evaluation methods, those are important. There are some questions related to program outcome, course outcome, evaluation of learning outcome, continuous internal evaluation, reforms of the college. The meaning is how do you evaluate the student? Internal evaluation methods. So you can have hello, hello. Can you listen me? Can you listen?
Yeah. Yes, it's audible.
Audible. Okay. Okay. So I was telling about internal evaluation methods. So you have to adopt in this manner that class test, open book test, surprise test in that manner. Then PPT test, Viva test you have to take in that way. Then interactive session, question answers. Through that you can evaluate the student. Different types of techniques you have to adopt for internal evaluation methods. I told you online on departmental level semester exam you have to take, and on college level pre-annual exam you have to take. University results, that from that also you can have evaluation of learning outcomes. So all those things you have to adopt every year in that manner. Then I am having different questions related to cross-cutting issues. Now what are cross-cutting issues? Related to gender, environment, human values, and professional ethics. What is the correct way of writing that? You have to subject, suppose botany, in that environment chapter you are teaching, write that number one. Number two, in sociology, if you are teaching some gender related topic, write that number two. In that manner, you have to write subject wise. The topic starts from these cross cutting issues in that manner. So all these things that I am telling you, you write particularly only human values in that manner, cross-cutting issues. Do not write any other thing, because most of the reports they are rejected due to the answer written here in cross-cutting issues. They are writing something irrelevant and report will be rejected. Remember that. Then I am coming to the main part of IQAC. Now remember, this IQAC is very important. It is for planning, monitoring, and record keeping of all academic activities in the college. You will find that IQAC is responsible for NIRF and ICA ID number you have to take before sending the report. Then IQAC is responsible for feedbacks for stakeholders meet alumni parent meetings you have to take. Then for achievements and awards, they have to think over that. Then you have to think of prominent alumni and placement also. As far as alumni question is concerned, remember this sentence very well, that college must have functional register contributing to the development of the college in financial and non-financial manner in that way. That means financial contribution, 1 lakh rupees around, you have to take in 5 years from alumni. Then non-financial contribution, you should take in the form of books they are donated, some study material is donated, some experimental training is given, some books are given, some building material is given. Non-financial contribution also you have to write. Functional means you have to take meetings of alumni every year, 1 or 2 meetings, then registered with the state government. With that way you have to work and you will get full marks. So alumni and placement also you have to work regarding training to them. Remember, quality, this incremental improvement should be given by IQAC. Every year, some type of quality initiatives, quality enhancement, and quality sustenance you have to give. You have to mention 2 quality initiatives in that manner. With collaboration MOU also, you have to perform some quality initiatives, and quality audit also you have to take. Apart from academic administrative audit, you have to take quality audit also. That is mentioned in that question. So that quality audit with some agency. This system I shall give you. Actually, one big company have appointed me as competent authority. I am working for that. Only thing you have to do, that you have to register with that particular agency, and everything I shall sign. Every document of your college will be signed by me. Only registration you have to make with that company, and that company name is Seshadri Globally Educational Competency Techniques. Seshadri Globally Educational Competency Techniques, SGECT. Their email ID is ambai@gmail.com. AMBAI Ambai Seshadri SHESHADRI Seshadri @gmail.com. You just send the mail. Principal will send that we want MOU for quality initiatives and quality audit. Everything I shall do. Only send the mail and inform me that you have sent the mail. According to their reply, you register with them. You just give me the information on my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is 72 76 37 58 20. 72 76 37 58 20. You just give me the information, I shall do the needful. So the best thing will be in this manner. Peer team members will definitely ask what functional MOU you are having. Now, one thing I shall tell you, suppose peer team members are coming in your college in the month of January, you can take one activity with this agency. I shall sign the document online also. And you can say that in December, in last month also, we have taken one activity with this functional MOU, which will be good activity. You can write that. You can have quality audit for last 2 years. I can give signature for both of them, and that will be again good impression for getting higher grade. So in that way you can work. Now lastly, I am coming to extension and outreach program and social activities, which are given in 3rd criteria and 7th criteria. Details also I shall give now. Now, as far as social activities are concerned, NSS, NCC, sports, cultural department, such names are there. Only you have to write under that question answer. If NSS is there, write there only NSS. Otherwise, everywhere in the report NSS it is written, your report will be rejected. Only under that heading you write where NSS is there. And in criteria 7 specially, or in cross-cutting issues also, subject-related social activities you have to write, some programs you have to write. 7 in 7.1, all the things are given: energy audit, green audit, physically disabled student, this waste management, everything you do particularly, everything I am telling you. question related to efforts and placement for neighboring community, inclusion and situatedness, just diversities. Regarding that, you have to study biodiversity, social diversity, economic diversity, linguistic in that manner. You adopt some village and do some activity for scarcity of water, maintenance of water. Some now we are knowing that world is going digital, herbal and spiritual. India is also going digital, herbal, spiritual. So you have to adopt some village and make the activity digital, herbal, spiritual there only. Rare plants, rare animals. Some funds are coming to some village from state government and central government. 5,000 rupees are sent maintenance or something else. Then you do that activity, save rupees 5,000, take the certificate from that village head that this 5,000 rupees work is done by the college and saved the government fund. That will be good activity for your college. Such type of many activities I can tell in that next departmental interaction webinar in that manner. So you work accordingly. And in 7.2, you are required to give two. Now those two best practices must have student involvement, community involvement, and technology use. And 2.5 year one practice, 2.5 year other practice you have to do. I shall tell you two best practices now, but there are 100 best practices I am having. I can give in next guidance when I come to the college or when I take that particular thing. First best practice, nice one you can have, that is digital economic literacy. You can have idea, internet banking idea, Paytm, ATM use idea, training for them, maybe for women, maybe for school going children, maybe for downtrodden class, whatever it may be. In neighboring area for 2.5 years you work for digital economic internet banking idea. And next 2.5 years you can work for the best practice in this manner, industrial development and job placement in your region. So in that manner, write two best practices as given there in 1,000 words. And in criteria 7.3, you have to write institutional distinctiveness. When I say institutional distinctiveness, that means you have to write in this manner. Again, for the answer of this question, reports are rejected. Summary of the report is given. Summary of the report. You have to write particularly in this manner. You have to write in the beginning, in the inverted comma, one point of vision and mission of your samstha or college. According to that point of vision and mission, you have to explain the performance with distinctiveness. If the point is related to downtrodden class, related to female education, take that much only, whatever is there in your vision mission of samstha or college. And you write that in 1,000 words, all those things. So relevant thing is very important in 7.3. You have to work very nicely. You have to write very properly, innovatively. In the last time I tell you that for good grade, higher grade, A plus, A double plus grade, you have to work for this 7. You have to identify local needs and seeds of the potential for the development of the student, development of the college and neighboring community also. The world is changing. Change is the law of universe. Everywhere change is there. Now new education policy is going to come. Do not change the face, but face the change. Facing change, it will give a career. In the face, it will create. Now you will find that there is a concept of learning. Learned people are important, but learning people are more important. Learning to learn, learning to live, these concepts are very important. Now our educational sector is becoming now economic sector. So it has impact beyond the college boundaries now. So you have to think out of the syllabi and out of the box also for the innovation. In that manner you think it. Do not tell your excuses. Do not tell your weaknesses. In fact, you weaken your weaknesses and strengthen your strength for the development. Now there is a concept of global vision with social responsibility and education on global level. So in that manner you have to work. Remember that all this I am telling you, you have to work now or never in that manner. Every person has 120 dimensions in the brain. Most of the people, they are using 30 to 40. Scientifically, it is proved. Tendulkar or Lata Mangeshkar is also using same dimension for singing and playing. We, the teachers, we have to perform in the education. We have to face compulsions and compromises. We have to use more dimensions. So I am giving you one idea. Hereafter, after my talk, every faculty member will give one idea to the principal every month. So with these ideas, principals' ideas, management's ideas, you will find that the college will be the path leader, and this NAC grade will be the byproduct of that. Your college will create a brand in your area. Establish your brand, NAC higher grade, you will be the path leader in that manner. Lastly, I shall tell one story and one shero shairi share, and I shall stop. That story is again, everything is again NAC related. In the forest, three brothers were quarreling. They were having 17 peacocks. Elder wanted 50%, second wanted third part, third brother wanted ninth part. 17 by 2 cannot be done. One I shall distribute 17 plus 1, 18 peacocks has been taken. Then 18 by 2, 9 peacocks, 18 by 3, 6 peacocks, and 18 by 9, 2 peacocks, 9 plus 6 plus 2, 17 peacocks of three brothers given to them, and his 18 peacocks. Use your maximum potential. Every faculty must use their potential. Remember that I may tell one thing, that must have two mobiles, not pocket mobile. They must have mind mobile and brain mobile. These mind and brain mobiles of everybody, they should be charged with willpower charger, and NAC higher grade can be obtained. Lastly, I shall tell only one shero shairi share, and I shall stop. That share is in this manner, that NAC के लिए अच्छा ग्रेड मिले ना मिले, ये तो मुकद्दर की और आपके एफर्ट्स की बात है, मगर उसके लिए जी जान से कोशिश न करना, ये गलत बात है. थैंक यू वेरी मच एवरीबॉडी. थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी.
Thank you very much, sir. Yes. Sir, are you audible?
Yes.
Yes. The aim of conducting this webinar is to devise a comprehensive plan for quality initiatives to be initiated by the IQAC, and also to have, as you have said in your talk, to maintain a brand for our PVK Government Autonomous College, Chittoor, Andhra Pradesh. And we are glad to have you as a resource person, and you're a man of experience. You have who have been visited and who has visited already 80 colleges as a peer team member. Definitely, your resourcefulness and your expertise will help us a lot to march forwards with quality sustenance and quality enhancement. And in your talk, I observed one thing, that we should maintain that college website has to be updated every day. That we have to follow. And I'm also glad that you're going to conduct interaction with the departments, so that it will really help the departments to move forward, to march forward for the better NAC grades. And yes, for ratings and rankings, the right assessment body in terms of quality is NAC. And hence, we are glad to have you as our external IQSC member. And I humble myself that to have a man of experience like you as our IQSC external member. Already, we are having external IQSC members as suggested by the NAC committee, the NAC guidelines, and one sir is already sharing his expertise and information as an accuracy external member who belong to VIT Velu. And now your expertise will definitely help us to move further. Thank you. Thanks a lot. And we will see in the coming days for better and higher grades. Thank you a lot, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much.
Sir, one faculty from our college would like to interact with you, sir. He's a UGC coordinator.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
My name is Dr. Mohan Behra. Sir, it is really wonderful lecture and it is really ignited for all of us.
Okay. Okay. Credit goes. Credit goes to madam. Credit goes to madam.
Pardon?
Credit goes to madam. All
Yeah.
credit goes to madam.
The thing is that how far we will fit for your, it's really extempore, sir. Sir, regarding, there are many queries, sir. Actually, our institution is doing lot of social works. And under my query is institutional value and best practices, sir. And after that, I will also interact with you personally over phone or email. The thing is that we are lacking in documentation, like policy, how to write policies, and regarding energy policies, and write green audit policies.
Sir, one thing I want to tell.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we shall have discussion on WhatsApp. We shall have discussion on WhatsApp in detail. In detail, we shall have WhatsApp afterwards. Huh?
Sure, sir. Definitely. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So I will interact with you later on, sir. Thank you very much.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir, I'm going to close the session today. Thank you again.
Okay.